Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a styling video, and I'm not doing the style that you saw in that first clip, but if you want to see a tutorial on that style, please leave a comment down below. So today I'm actually going to be doing a 2-bun style with 2 upside down braids going up the back of my head. I know it sounds complicated, and it kind of was, but I found a way to make the braids in the back a little bit easier, so you want to stay tuned for that. As for this tutorial, I'm not going to talk through it. I feel like when it comes to styling hair, it's better to watch than to listen to me explain every single detail. So I'm just parting my hair right now, and I'm going to let you guys watch, and I'll come back if I feel like there might be need for further clarification.
Let me go for one day, let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain, always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day, let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past, I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain, I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind, just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day, let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone now help me see it. Oh, help me free this feeling.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before.
the braids in the back, you're gonna start out by parting sections about as big as I'm showing you here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna moisturize it with whatever leave-in you want to put in, and then you could put in some edge control to kind of sleek it down. And then what I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna put a rubber band on it, and I'm gonna do that all the way up my sections, and you'll see that in the next clips.
Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climb my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Felt like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Like this before. Yeah.
Y'all, my camera kept picking up my ring light, so it's actually gonna go dark in a few seconds. That might happen on and off. I apologize, but as you can see, I was turned around and I didn't notice it was happening, so sorry.
Take a drag of my cigarette. Breathe me out, breathe you in, yeah. Take a bite of my burger, babe. Save the last bite for you, for you. Ooh. Don't let the street lights hit you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too, too. 7 years of imperfect love, 7 more and another one, and another one.
So as you see here, I have all my sections in rubber bands all ready for me to braid. And what the rubber bands do is they kind of give the illusion of stitch braids, and it just makes the braid look a lot neater. So you're gonna start from the bottom and you're gonna begin to Dutch braid or cornrow, whichever way you call it. You don't want to do a French braid because that's not gonna look right. So basically the braid that like comes out rather than goes in, if that makes sense. And it might take you a few tries. It took me a few tries, but I really just had to coordinate which fingers I was using for what. So you want your thumb at the bottom of your braid, if that makes sense. Like, you don't want to have your hands turned the other way. I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope that me doing it on camera helps a little bit. I don't know if you guys could see, but while I was braiding, one of my rubber bands snapped and kind of messed up one of my parts, but I wasn't pressed about it and I wasn't about to take out the braid and do it again, so I kind of just left it. But that's up to your discretion if that happens to you. My rubber bands popped very, very easily, so just try to buy some rubber bands that aren't cheap.
Fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on.
After you're done with the braid, you're gonna secure all of that hair in a ponytail holder. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side.
There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, you love the game, but I don't wanna play. I know there's time, but I don't wanna wait. Promise I won't bite. No, no. Love is just around the corner, babe. To do what we want, I wanna get in shape with you all night. All night. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. Imagine us there. All night. There's something that I need from you. Don't act like you don't have a clue. You don't have to wait for it tonight. You don't have to be so damn polite. No, no. Imagine us you don't have to wait for it tonight.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. How I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye.
So just for reference, guys, I left these steamrollers in for about 20 to 30 minutes before I took them out. If you want a more in-depth video about these steamrollers, I will leave that up in the cards.
This feeling.
Alright guys, that is the end of this video. If you like this style and you felt like this tutorial was helpful to help you achieve this style, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what you think about it. I know my braids aren't the neatest, but I tried my best. So stay tuned for the next video and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss it.